Excellent.
You are just like a David in the Bible. David was busy walking in the bush, and the anointing of God located him, and then brought David to the throne. I'm a cow! Yeah. I'm a cow! Yeah. And because God has brought you to this throne, no man, no woman, will bring you down. The God of the land that hears the voice of the king. Come and hear the voice of your son today. We respect you. We honor you. In the name of God, the Father and the Son. Amen. We have come to give you this our little token. It's nothing to you. This represents our cooler. Today is our Supreme Council meeting. But we cancelled it because we were told that our lovely son, our able governor, is coming to Ubima. And as a majesty of Ubima community, I pleaded with my chairman, we must honor our governor that is coming to see us. So we cancel the meeting. My appreciation to my chairman and my fellow traditional rulers. So having said that, Your Excellency, I present this to you.
Welcome.
Mecca? Yeah. Ikwerre and Mecca? Yeah. River State and Mecca? Yeah. Nigeria and Mecca? Yeah. Let me put here. God chosen governor. Your son or Saiba. So we present the key we give you. Thank you very much. God will give for us. No.
Sir, His Excellency, today he said we must use this system, this opportunity, to say that we have requested an appointment through political strategist. We sent our chairman to meeting on a Sunday. Then on Monday, I went. He confirmed that he has come. So when we heard that you would be here to honor our son, we said, the governor have been baptized, confirmed, Heavenly Father confirmed it.
You may not know the amount of support you have. The whole River State, youths, elders, women are all to support you. Excellency, the reason is simple. The people of River State are clamoring for a change. The issue of humiliation, destruction. Your Excellency, on behalf of my family, and indeed some of my friends and the elders of the state, the true elders, the matured elders, the most experienced politicians, and the people that are respected in River State, on behalf of all of us, I say thank you for making our time to join us. To God, in His infinite mercy, gave her extra 27 years after 70. It was all God's doing. We, as her children, also tried our human best. But having departed, the most important thing next is how to lay her and give her a befitting burial. That we have done. But not only we, people of high caliber, responsible Nigerians also came in to help us. So we thank you for being those, leading those who came for this occasion. Those who know me. I take a decision and I stand by my decision. I don't change. I have taken a decision to be simplified. Wherever you go is where I will go. If you say tomorrow you are no more interested in this position, I will also stop fighting for anything in River State. But God, who gave you the opportunity, will also give you all the wisdom, all the strength, all the power, and everything that it takes to govern the people of River State and beyond. So I thank you for the wonderful opportunity. I thank you for joining us. And I also pray that God who brought you here will also take you back home. Thank you and God bless you.
Those of you who went to good school better than us, they say, you look at the person's face and say, let me tell you the truth to your face. Those are the elders that I have here. Why am I here? We're here to commiserate with our dear brother, our friend, His Excellency, not minding the charade that happened. His Excellency remains His Excellency. Sir Celestine Omehia, we're here to support him in the burial of his mother. Death, they say, it's inevitable. No matter what we do, the end of everybody is death. The other part of it is, no matter how old a loved one is, when the person departs, we always feel that loss. So we're here to say sorry Mama has done her job. She brought you to Mother Earth. You have also done your own part to show that, like my mother would say, I'm fulfilled. She was fulfilled because she had you, and you're also a fulfilled man because you never brought any shame and disgrace to her. I've come here with a few of also very respected state elders to come and support you and say to you that we sorrow with you. We also rejoice with you for a life well fulfilled. We wish Mama safe journey. Let us stay well there. Prepare the place well when we will come. We'll have not self-contained, but 3-bedroom flat. We came here late, not because it was intentional. It's a very sad day in our dear state. Something happened in a Leme petrochemical along that route. A tanker had an issue with a tipper, and there was a very, very unfortunate situation that cost the state very devastating loss. Over 120 vehicles were burned down, and about 5 human loss was recorded. It was really a very unfortunate situation for us. I went there this morning to see for myself what really happened. And I can tell you, I've not been happy with all the dramas around our state. It's not even proper for us to add that. But it wasn't our fault. It was just something that impatience caused. The trailer driver or the tanker driver, knowing the state of that road, was not patient, and it resulted to that very colossal loss. But we give God all the glory that the level of casualty recorded in terms of human loss, no matter how few, but it's still very unfortunate. So that is why we couldn't attend the church service proper, and we had to visit you at home after the funeral service. But the most important thing is to show our concern and our love. Ikwerre people used to say, you don't do enmity to death. Any human being that shows enmity to death, that case is not even a normal human being. I don't have any other thing to say, but we must show love. It's our state. Anybody who claims he loves this state should not be party to anything, directly or indirectly, to bring us backward. We will continue to support every cause that will advance our dear state, River State. And I'm happy to say, I've said it over and over, it doesn't matter the number of people that are standing with me. I will stand on that side of truth. I will not, I repeat, govern our dear state on my knees. If that was the purpose, I will not do that. I will stand to govern our dear state and to stand continually on the side of right. Let me thank our dear elders continue to show love. Bitterness will not take us anywhere. When it comes to the time of election, fight me, abuse me, send ESCC record, send all the things. But when elections are over, what we need is to work together for the advancement of our state. It's the only way we can bring Rivers State close to what people say or what we are supposed to be like Lagos. But politics with bitterness will not take us anywhere. So I want to thank you that at this stage, we have a few of you who understand that Rivers State belongs to every one of us. And we must fight together to sustain the soul of this state. Let me thank you again. Wish you the best. The best is a big word. A lot of things are inside the best. You can digest it in so many ways. Let me also thank my host for even allowing me to enter his house. He might decide not to even receive me, considering where I'm coming from. But I can see how large his heart is. And that is the heart of a knight. A knight is one who fights with his right and receives with his left to make sure that everybody works together. So please, Your Excellency, thank you for accepting us into your house to commiserate with you. Thank you for giving us this moment to grieve with you. The truth. We cherish it. Continue to stand for what is right for our dear state. God will see us to the end. And not just seeing us, but victoriously. Thank you, and God bless you.
Give way, give way, give way.
Go back.
Go back. Go back.